you want a career that moves the needle on conservation and global impact. Forests cover 30% of our planet, and they are the key to our future. In Purdue's Forestry major, you will study nature and learn how to manage, measure, and protect the environment. Our program prepares you for today's forestry careers, which combine hands-on work with cutting-edge tech, and every day is an adventure with purpose. You'll learn everything from genetics to molecular biology to big data and conservation planning, and get experience doing undergraduate research that really matters. One of the program highlights is a 5-week out-of-state summer practicum where you and your classmates learn, work, and problem-solve together in the field. Plus, as a forestry major, you'll get specialized training in urban forestry. Think caring for trees in parks, neighborhoods, and city environments. You'll also learn about wood as a sustainable material in manufacturing and design, going from tree to finished wood product. And when it comes to careers, Purdue forestry grads are in high demand. Whether you're interested in science, business, management, government, or education, you'll have many opportunities and strong job placement. Ready to learn more? Explore the possibilities in Purdue Forestry.